Hello everyone. Today we will learn the first financial decision, that is investment decision. So let's start. Now what is investment decision? As it is clear from its name that the decision related to investment of firm's fund in different assets, either fixed asset or current asset, is known as investment decision. Means फर्म के फंड्स को किन फिक्स्ड असेट्स और करंट असेट्स में इन्वेस्ट किया जाएगा सो दैट इट कैन गिव मैक्सिमम रिटर्न टू एन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. And this decision is of two types. First is capital budgeting decision and second one is working capital decision. Now, capital budgeting decisions are those decisions which are related to investment in long term assets or fixed assets. अब फिक्स्ड असेट्स वो असेट्स हैं विच आर परचेज्ड फॉर लॉन्ग टर्म यूज इन बिजनेस. फॉर एग्जाम्पल लैंड, बिल्डिंग, plant, machinery, equipments, etc. Under capital budgeting decisions, financial manager has to decide in which assets or projects a company or an organization will invest its funds. And this decision is taken after careful comparison of various projects from the point of view of cost, risk involved, return on the investment, etc. And these decision has to be taken very carefully, as these assets are to be used in the business for long run, and it will also affect the profitability and earning capacity of a company. And these decisions involves huge outflow of funds. So capital budgeting decisions should be taken very carefully. Now, coming to the second investment decision, that is working capital decision. The decision related to investment in short-term assets or current assets is known as working capital decisions. Now, current assets are those assets which can be easily converted into cash within a period of 1 year. For example, inventories, debtors, trade receivables, etc. These decisions should also be taken very carefully, as these affect the day-to-day working of an enterprise. Under it, financial manager has to take various decisions like level of cash to be maintained, level of inventory to be maintained, so as to ensure the smooth working of an enterprise. Now coming to the factors affecting capital budgeting decisions. Before selecting any fixed asset, any machinery or any project in which firm's funds will be invested, the firm has to compare or consider various factors, in which first one is cash flow of the project. Cash flow means the inflow or outflow of cash during the lifespan of the project. मीन्स एक प्रोजेक्ट के लाइफ स्पैन में कितना कैश आएगा और कितना कैश जाएगा. सो बिफोर टेकिंग कैपिटल बजटिंग डिसीजन, कैश फ्लो शुड ऑल्सो बी कंसिडर्ड, as some of the projects take longer time to generate cash inflows or some projects start earlier generating cash flows. So, financial manager considers the cash flow of the various projects before selecting any project. Second point is rate of return. अब rate of return क्या है? Rate of return means एक प्रोजेक्ट में इन्वेस्ट करने से एनुअली कितनी इनकम जनरेट होगी, दैट इज रेट ऑफ रिटर्न. which can be expressed as a percentage of the original investment. For example, there are two projects A and B. A's rate of return is 10% and B's rate of return is 15%, and they involve same original investment. So, which project will be chosen by financial manager? Financial manager will choose B project as its rate of return is higher than project A. Now coming to the third point, that is investment criteria involved. और भी बहुत सारे फैक्टर्स को कंसिडर किया जाता है बिफोर सिलेक्टिंग एनी प्रोजेक्ट. फॉर एग्जांपल, अमाउंट ऑफ इन्वेस्टमेंट कि ओरिजिनली या इनिशियली कंपनी को कितना इन्वेस्ट करना पड़ेगा इन ए प्रोजेक्ट, रेट ऑफ रिटर्न, इंटरेस्ट रेट, कैश फ्लो, एट्सेट्रा. सो there are various techniques to analyze or to evaluate the different investment proposals, and these techniques are to be applied to select any project. So these were the factors affecting capital budgeting decision. That's all in today's video. Thanks for watching this video.